I'm just driving a little bit. I dropped my phone, man, in the water, and it's not, it's not charging. It hasn't been charging. I guess I plugged it in and it was still wet, maybe, and it messed up the charging port. So now I'm working on fixing it. I already left it in the resort area right there. Wow. It says there's a resort that way. I don't know. Yeah, I might. Well, nah, I'm not gonna go. I was thinking about checking it out. It says there's a resort that way. I don't know. Yeah, so the guy said they're gonna charge 1,200 with the. I don't think it's gonna be with the parts though. I don't know, man. He said for everything. I don't even know what time it is or anything. Like, man, this sucks, bro. This is another bottom guy, but right there to the left, that's where you see you see the cell phone shop. I already passed it up. I don't know what that is right there. It's kind of. Oh, it looks like it's a parking space or something. I don't know. That house is looking good over there.